go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into one of the most sought-after trends in modern architecture, the open concept indoor-outdoor living space. But what does this actually mean? Essentially, it is an architectural approach that dissolves the traditional boundaries between the interior of a home and the natural world outside. Rather than treating the backyard as a separate entity, this design style uses expansive glass walls, floor-to-ceiling sliders, and consistent flooring to create a singular, continuous environment. It is about creating a liminal space where the comfort of your living room meets the fresh air of your garden, allowing your home to breathe and expand beyond its physical footprint. The benefits of having an open-concept indoor-outdoor living space extend far beyond simple aesthetics. First and foremost, it drastically increases the perceived square footage of your home without the high cost of a full structural addition. By opening up a wall, a modest living room can suddenly feel like a grand pavilion. From a wellness perspective, these spaces invite an abundance of natural light and fresh air into the home, which has been proven to reduce stress and improve mood. Furthermore, it is the ultimate setup for entertaining. Guests can circulate freely between the kitchen, the lounge, and the patio without feeling disconnected from the party. It fosters a deeper connection with nature, allowing you to enjoy the changing seasons and the beauty of your landscaping from the comfort of your sofa. To make your indoor-outdoor space look truly cohesive, the secret lies in visual continuity. You should aim to treat your outdoor area with the same level of sophistication as your interior. Start by choosing a color palette that repeats across both zones. For instance, if your indoor sofa features navy accents, bring that same shade out to your patio cushions. Use similar materials such as natural wood or stone for both your indoor flooring and your outdoor decking to trick the eye into seeing one long, uninterrupted surface. Lighting also plays a crucial role. Installing recessed lights in the outdoor overhang that match your indoor ceiling lights helps maintain the room feel even after the sun goes down. Finally, bring the green inside with large potted plants to blur the line where the garden ends and the house begins. When selecting items for an open concept space, versatility and durability are your best friends. The most essential piece is arguably a high-quality set of all-weather upholstered furniture that looks like it belongs in a high-end showroom but can withstand the elements. Large-scale sliding or folding glass door systems are the hero items of this design, acting as a transparent bridge between worlds. For the transition zone, consider a double-sided fireplace or a kitchen island that extends through a window to create an outdoor breakfast bar. Area rugs made of performance fibers are also vital, as they help define zones in a large open area without blocking the view. Don't forget ambient elements like outdoor-rated floor lamps and sleek, minimalist fire pits that provide a focal point and encourage people to move toward the outdoor section of the space. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best open-concept indoor-outdoor living area ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the Infinite Horizon Lounge. This design features a massive multi-panel sliding glass wall that tucks away completely, leaving the dining area and the outdoor terrace as one unified floor. The use of light gray floor tiles that extend from the kitchen to the poolside creates a powerful sense of continuity, making the interior feel as vast as the outdoors. 2. The Mediterranean Courtyard Retreat. A stunning example of U-shaped architecture where the entire house wraps around a central pool deck. The blue loungers perfectly mirror the water's hue, while the large glass doors throughout the perimeter ensure that no matter which room you are in, you feel connected to the central outdoor oasis. 3. The Skylit Architectural Loft. This elevated space uses massive skylights and high-set windows to pull the sky into the living room. The seamless transition to the balcony via floor-to-ceiling glass allows the fireplace to serve both the indoor sofa and the fresh air view, creating a cozy yet airy atmosphere. For the gourmet garden pavilion. By placing a modern white kitchen right against a floor-to-ceiling window, this design makes the outdoor dining set feel like an extension of the breakfast nook. The lush greenery outside acts as a living wallpaper for the chef, emphasizing the biophilic connection of the home. 5. The modernist poolside sanctuary. This idea focuses on long-line architecture, where a wooden ceiling overhang extends far past the glass walls to provide shade for an outdoor dining table. The glow from the indoor fireplace reflects off the pool, creating a warm, sophisticated ambience that works perfectly for evening relaxation. 6. The white brick hearth transition. A beautiful blend of rustic and modern, this space features a large white outdoor fireplace that is visible from the indoor kitchen. The folding accordion doors open wide to allow the scent of wood smoke and the breeze to flow through the bright, airy interior. 7. The Grand Deck Entertainment Hub. This design utilizes a massive covered deck that houses a full dining table and a secondary lounge area with its own TV and fireplace. It functions as a second living room, protected by a sleek white roof that matches the home's exterior, creating a massive footprint for hosting large groups. 8. The Forest View Contemporary Hall. Ideal for homes surrounded by nature, this concept uses dark-framed windows to frame the tall pine trees outside like artwork. The open floor plan allows the dining and living areas to share the same panoramic view, while the high ceilings make the transition to the outdoors feel effortless. 9. The Sun-Drenched Minimalist Atrium. This space uses a sunken living room design that opens directly onto a stone-paved courtyard. The floating staircase and stone accent walls continue the natural theme, ensuring that the transition from the hardscape of the interior to the softscape of the garden is barely noticeable. 10. The Bi-Level Luxury Villa. A masterclass in vertical and horizontal flow. This design features an outdoor kitchen on the ground floor with a seamless view into the indoor lounge. The use of glass railings on the upper balconies ensures that even from the second floor, the connection to the pool and the lower terrace remains unbroken. Creating an open-concept indoor-outdoor living space is more than just a renovation. It is a lifestyle upgrade. It challenges us to rethink how we interact with our surroundings and encourages us to find peace in the integration of home and nature. Whether you have a sprawling estate or a compact urban lot, the principles of flow, light, and material continuity can help you achieve a home that feels boundless and free. We hope these ideas have inspired you to tear down those walls, figuratively and literally, to create the sanctuary of your dreams. If you enjoyed this deep dive into open-concept living, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of our top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below if you prefer a poolside retreat or a forest view sanctuary. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a tour of the world's most beautiful homes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.